If you guys are facing this ban message on any of your favorite games, including Fortnite, Valorant, etc., then watch this entire video till the end. We're checking out a provider known as Vertex HWID Spoofer. It's a permanent solution to get you unbanned from any of your favorite games in just one click. Vertex has been dominating the competition for the past couple of years, and their permanent spoofer is one of the best out right now. It comes packed with some insane features like a TPM bypass for Fortnite, which removes this error message, so you're guaranteed to have a good time. And they have a ton of reviews, so let's get right into the video. Once you get to Vertex's website, scroll down and click on the spoofer category. Once you select on it, you'll see the permanent and the temporary. Go ahead and select the permanent, and then once selecting on it, you'll see the one-time and the lifetime plan. If you're gonna think you're gonna continue cheating, go with the lifetime option, as you can continue reusing it. If you're gonna stop altogether, go with the one time, as you'll only need to use it once. Then you also have all the features that this amazing spoofer offers us. You can also see everything that's included when you go ahead and make an order. So let's go ahead and buy the one-time key, and then let's launch the application on up. Once you log into the spoofer, you have to activate your key. First, connect your Discord. Now we can enter in our license key and hit activate. It's gonna go ahead and verify, and now it's activated, and now we can go log back in. Now that we are gone ahead and loaded the application back on up, we can go to the serial tab and we can view our current hardware identifiers. Go to device, click check serials, and as you can see, nothing is currently changed. So we can go ahead and spoof, choose your seating by changing it, and then click permanent and choose your motherboard. Now let's go ahead and select on it. Now that we have finished spoofing, we can head over to the device section. As you can see, everything is currently changed, and if we click on check serials, everything is also. As you guys did see, I just went ahead and spoofed and proved that my serials did change, so if you guys do want to check out Vertex, all their links are down below in the description. Peace out.